Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, the SP500 index fund, and the DXY market watch. So if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates. Also, we put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the market, my friend. We analyze Bitcoin, we analyze the SP500 index fund, and we analyze the DXY market watch or US dollar index. So if you are interested for those things, make sure to subscribe. It's very easy, my friend. Down below, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray. And next to it, turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. So without making the video too long, let's start, my friend. So as you see, my friend, the weekly candle here, it's finished. And what did I told you before? I told you also we are heading here to that zone here, that one. Also we are going, my friend, to that zone here, 17K. And now the Bitcoin is 19K. It's still for it more downside, my friend. And I tell it to you before, if you remember our analysis, my friend, I tell you, my friend, Bitcoin, we got here a falling wedge like that. As you see it, that one with white. And I told you we are going to go till here till 17K 207. Or maybe we are going to go till 12K here. As you see it, my friend. Because those levels, let me mention them to you. The first one, that one here is 12,867. That one here is 17,207. So those was the target. That one, we make it the first one, it get it for us when we are here. We make that one here is our target, and that's what it do for us. Till now, as you see, my friend, it's still falling. So let's see if that zone of us here is going to hold or not. Because as we said here, we got a zone, my friend, at 17K. So let's see if it's going to hold or not. I think everything is in front of you, my friend. Our indicators, yes, they showing us we are in an uptrend. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend. As you see, my friend, our indicator is showing here. Also, we are at the oversold area. But till now, nothing confirmed yet. There is more room for downside, my friend. And that level where we are now, as you see it, is the previous high of 2018, my friend. And I think we got another level here. That one here. What happened in 2019, that one me I'm talking about. If it doesn't hold, my friend, is another story. If that one of 10K or 12,000, if doesn't hold, you're going to see Bitcoin lower than 6,000, my friend. And that one, the best scenario can happen in the investing ever happen, my friend. I can't imagine that to happen, but that the market and the cryptocurrency, they are not regulated yet. So you can accept it anything. Is it possible, my friend? Fair and greed, my friend, it's still at 24, as you see it. And if you remember what me I told you, and you being someone or subscriber with us, and you been following us for some time, I told you we got here a level between 20 and 5, like that. And we got a level here in the top between 60 and 45, like that. Till now, my friend, we haven't touched the lower here. So you need to make a close eye at those levels, my friend. Till now, it hasn't touched it yet. Instead, my friend, what it done for you, if you see here very close with me, you remember what else we done before? We done here a trend line, and here what the price done for you, it's breaking the trend like that, then it go back, it touch it, then it's falling down. Let me show it to you here. It said you got a trend line like that. The price, it's break it like that, then it went back, it touched it, then after that it breaking for you the low, and that's what's happening here in that zone here, my friend. It's breaking for us that trend as we draw in there before. So now you need to wait in when it's going to be at 20, in the level between 20 and 5. That's the right time for someone to buy if you want to buy. Till now, it's still more room for down. As you see it, my friend, we are here at the 24 today, 29 of August, my friend. We're going to see what's going to come in the coming news, my friend. But till now, also we're still in a down falling, my friend. Let's go in now to the SP500 index fund, my friend, to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, my friend, the SP500 index fund, what it's looking to you. If you remember, also we used to have here a level like that, and that candle here, it's break it for us. So tomorrow the market is going to open, maybe it's going to come back to touch it like that, then after that it's going to fall down, my friend. But the SP 500, it's still going lower, my friend, till here, till that zone here, as you see it. By the way, that zone here is at 3911 or 3911. That's a very bad number, but let's see what's going to happen to it when it's going to touch it here. Maybe from here it's going to make a retracement up to here again, to that zone here, as you see it here, that zone where it's being broken now. So make a close eye at those levels, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. So as you see it, it's still falling, my friend, still falling till here. It's going to fall. By the way, some people, they ask me, they said, why me I call you my friend? I call you my friend. It's a bit of respect. I don't want to call you Matt or dude or something like that, or Fox. No, me, I used to respect people because my parents, they taught me not to call those bad words at other people. That's why me I call you my friend. My friend is a very good word, better than call you dude or Fox. So I'm sorry if you take it in bad way. So let's continue, my friend. So everything is too clear here. In the 4 hours, the same thing here. There is nothing, it will change. In the 4 hours, actually, as you see it here, it's breaking for you the 200 moving average. And if you remember what I told you it's need the price is giving you here a cup and handle, and now it's breaking for you the cup and handle, my friend. So you're going to come here and calculating from here to here. So it's going to come till that zone, as we said here, below that level here. So make a close eye at that level, what the market is going to give you, and I'm going to update you. By the way, if you are new here and you want every day when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. It's very easy and simple, my friend. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash the like button if it's possible. You done it, let's continue, my friend. And you can do something very extra if it's possible. You can tell us what your view to the market, what you thinking, is going to fall down or no. If yes, write it. If no, write it. You done it, let's continue. Actually, we got here, as you see it here in that zone, we got here a trend line here and here. So now the one, when it touching here, the trend line here, you need to make a close eye at it. What it's going to do, maybe from here, it's going to go back up to touch that 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to break it. Also, it's still going down. There is nothing it will change in. There is going to come some news to change that. Let's wait in the ISM manufacturing what it's going to tell us. By the way, it's going to come the 1st of August. So make a close eye at it. So the only news is it this week. So let's go in now to the DXY or US dollar index to see what it's telling us. The DXY, as you see it here, what it did, it gave you here a small cup and handle, and it's still going upward to that zone as we said it before. And I tell you that in the weekly forex forecasting. By the way, if you like our forex forecasting, you can find the videos of us. Also, we put in every week a forex forecasting. So as you see here, that one, what it done here in that zone, like that, and like that, and like that. He give you here a cup and handle. And now it's breaking for you the top of the cup of handle. So when it's going to break it, you're going to come and calculate it like that. And you make it like that. As we said, also it's going to go till 11.2.137. So till here. And we make it before. And the DXY, it's still going up, my friend. So if you trade in the forex pairs, everything is going to fall down more. Make a close eye at those things. Let's wait in the daily candle when it's going to finish. Then we came back to you and we update you what is it there. All the things to get our updates is to make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Everything is free. You don't need to pay nothing. So that's it for the DXY and the SP 500. Let's go back to the Bitcoin to see what is it there. The Bitcoin, my friend, as you see it, what it done here, it's breaking for us that long-term trend. That one used to have it here, that white one. That one, by the way, is very long-term trend. So let's wait in the next day what's going to happen. And it's break it with a big engulfing candle, as you see it. That one here, as we're talking about. So as we're still going down now, let's wait in now that level where we are now, that one, if it's going to hold or not. By the way, let me show it to you. As you see it, that level, we draw it from here like that. Let's see if it's going to hold or not. If it's not, you're going to see it till down here till 17,270. 207, and that was my view to it. It's going to fall down till there, till 17, 207, my friend. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, if it's going to go upward or no. But till now, it's still in a downward trend. Nothing new, nothing happening new till now. So let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, that one, it enter here at the oversold area, but till now it hasn't become here red, so it's still more downside for it to fall down till here. I'm going to update you, my friend. The only things you can do is just subscribe to our channel. Another thing, our other indicator, that one, as you see it, it's breaking for us that trend line here, that one we're drawing with white, and now it give us here another trend like that. So let's draw it together. Let's make it like that one here. We bring it from here, then we move it like that, as you see it. Now we are in a downtrend, so there is no entry, no nothing. It's still in a falling, my friend. Then it's going to touch here the oversold area. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, and I'm going to update you when is it here at the oversold area. Me personally, when it's going to enter here at the oversold area, I'm going to buy, because that trading style, that's how me I trade. Last time I buy from here and I buy from here, and if it fall down here, I'm going to buy again. That's how me I trade. I don't know about you. By the way, if you want to trade like me like that, down below in the first comment there is my Bitcoin investing course. You can join it if you want to learn how to use technical analysis. Even in the first comment there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course, not by us, by Udemy. The course is hosted in Udemy. By the way, it's not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. It's the price of a cup of coffee if you're using the link down. By the way, that link is still for it only 1 day, I think, or 2 days. So go to it before it's too late. So that's it for the daily, my friend. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, as you see it, even here it came with a big engulfing candle, and the volume, it's spiking only red here. That's what me I told you before in the previous video, if you remember. And what me I tell you before, I told you, look at here, before even that candle, that one came. What did I told you? I told you, look at those candles here. All of them is showing spikes and big tails there. But if you're looking down at the volume, the only one who spiked is the red one. That means only sellers were still in control now. There is no buyers yet. So the Bitcoin is still going lower than that. Even if it make a small correction upward, but it's still going down. That's the power of our technical analysis, my friend. Everything is too clear. If it's clear for you, go down and smash the like button. Help us to growing up more that channel. And here, that our analysis, by the way, here, it's breaking for us that channel as we draw before. And I told you it's like a flag. It's like a wedge. Let me show it to you. I tell it to you, we got here. Before I tell it to you, we got here a wedge like that, and now that wedge, it's being broken here. So you're going to come like that, and you're calculating from here to here. So it's going to go till here, till that 17,207. That's what I told you before. Everything's in front of you, my friend. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. And now, even if it's going upward, it's going to go just till here, till that level here. Then after that, it's going to drop again. So there is nothing new. Only us, we're still in a free falling. Let's make it like that. Let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear. Our indicator, as you see it, it's still showing here. We got here a divergence, but that one is just an oscillator, my friend. So the most important, the price action, and the price action is telling us we're still falling. There is nothing new. Our other indicator, even that one, it's showing us we enter here at the oversold area. As you see it, there is nothing new. It's need to go out from it for us to enter. And it's need here to be in that zone to give us there a price action. It's showing us we are going to go upward. That's what me I told you in the previous videos. I told you to use that indicator. By the way, that indicator, if you want it, you just go here in one video in the channel. The name of the video, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Then you download that indicator. Even in that video, we show you how to install it. Then you bring it and you add it to your trading view. And you're going to get everything over there. So as I told you before, it's need that indicator to be here at the oversold. And the price, it need to be in a supply and demand zone. And it need to give you a price action. Depending on what is it there. Maybe it's going to give you a head and shoulder, a triangle, a wedge. A lot of things, W, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, a lot of things. You can learn those things. If you want to learn it from us, as I tell it to you down below in the first comment, there is our technical analysis course. If you don't want, there is videos that teach you those things. So it's need the price to give you here a price action in a level and that indicator to be at the oversold area. If is it no one of those ones there, don't enter. Till now, that one is at the oversold a level, but the price action and the most important part is the price action. There is no price action for you to enter. So there is no entry yet. And I'm going to update you tomorrow to tell you what is it there, my friend. So let's see our 30 minutes now. What is it there for the picture to be more clear? Here in 30 minutes, if you remember what else we said before, we draw here a trend line like that. And we said it came to it when it touched it here, it fall down. So you still here in a downtrend. You can even draw here a channel like that. Like that, you can draw a channel now for a wage or anything you can draw. Now, as you see it, you're still in a falling down, so make a close eye at it. Till now, there is no buying or nothing, just falling. So, that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow after New York Open, and see you when the daily candle finishes. So, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the first comment. Everything is too simple, my friend. So, bye for now, my friend.